Today I'm going to be reviewing B. LeMay Root Activator Shampoo. I want to thank B. LeMay for sending this to me to review. Now, I just got this. I've only tried it once. I can't give you a full review of how this is working, but I will come back and do one after I've used this for a couple weeks. But just from what I've been reading and using it, first of all, it smells really nice. I expect that from a shampoo, so that's not surprising. A bunch of natural ingredients. Really supposed to help with thinning hair and hair loss and hair falling out. So this is an issue I have. I'm almost 50 and this is a problem that I have. So I'm excited to give this a try. I do take the minoxidil, which basically just stops hair loss, but my hair is now thinning. And so I'd like to see if I can stop it, or at least in the meantime, thicken it up. And that is exactly what it's supposed to do. And from what I've read, people are getting good results. 97% notice reduced hair shedding. 92% witness increased fuller, thicker, and shinier hair. I don't care about shinier. I just want to be thicker. And expressed improvement in stronger roots and clear scalp. So, you put it on, use it daily, and it should start to work fairly quickly. It does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.3 stars. I'd like to see 4.4. So it doesn't beat that, but it's pretty darn close, and it's probably going to do pretty well. It's got 677 ratings. Last month, October 2025, 4,000 were bought, and it is an Amazon choice. So people are buying these, they're liking it, and I'm pretty excited. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.